Look what Max is doing. It's a beautiful, windy fall day, and Max and I are enjoying it and doing a little bit of yard work, getting ready to rake some leaves and cut down some of our dead flowers and just feeling the breeze. We were trying to fly a kite, but it was a little too crazy. So now Max has his new baby ghost kite. You think it's a kite? What do you think it is? It's like a wind blower guy. Yes, and look what we brought out, kids. The babies. Oh no, babies. Because they're plugged in with Wind Guy. It looks like we need to turn on Wind Guy's switch. Shall I or you? You do the honors. Woo! Look at that! Wow! Look at that Wind Guy. Ooh, baby ghosts are blowing. And the spider is in the tree. And look at that, baby ghost.
Why are you not tuning on the big one?
Well, because the big ones are so tall that if that strong wind blows really hard, it could pull them right out of the ground. Just like the neighbor's trampoline. Do you remember when the wind pulled the neighbor's trampoline and blew it against their fence? So even though those big inflatables are big and heavy, wind is very strong. And all it needs is a very strong up blow, and it could blow those inflatables down the street. Or tear them. It could blow them so hard it would tear them away from the tethers and we would have holes. That would be not very fun, huh?
What if we tilt my puppy sack, my new one?
Oh, I would get so mad.
And what would happen?
He wouldn't be mad at you. That would be an accident. We would just get a sewing machine and fix it. We could sew its little holes back together.
That's easy.
Yeah. Look, it looks like you went fishing for ghosts and you got a baby ghost.
I caught it.
Did you go fishing? What did you use for bait? What did you put on your hook to catch that ghost? String? Oh, look at that.